Chapter 13. Time. The clock tells us the time. The face, dial, of the clock is marked with numerals 1 to 12. The clock has two hands, hour hand and minute hand. AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. Do these. Revision. 1. Write the time for each clock. Communication. Two. Draw the hands to show the given time. Representation. You have won. You have won. Reading time to the exact minute. Position, hour hand, minute hand, time, between 3 and 4, near to 3 than to 4. It is at 26, 3:26, between 3 and 4, near to 4 than to 3. It is at 37, 3:37, between 3 and 4, near to 3 than to 4. It is 9, 3:9, between 3 and 4, near to 4 than to 3. It is at 50, 3:50. Do these. 1. Write the time for each clock. Communication. Two. Draw the hands to show the given time. Representation. You have won. You have won. 3. What is the time? Reasoning proof. Four. Complete the following sentences. Reasoning proof. Five. Catch and match. Reasoning proof. Column A, column B. You have won. You have won. You have won. Use of AM and PM. We know that the time from one midnight to other midnight is called a day. When the hour hand goes round the clock once, 12 hours have passed. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand goes around the clock twice in a day. Look carefully at these two clocks. Before noon AM, afternoon PM. It can either be 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 AM, or 5 o'clock in the evening, 5 PM. The two hands are in the same position, but there are 12 hours in between. The time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as AM, ante-meridiem, and the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight as PM, post-meridiem. 24 hours, 12 AM, midnight, previous day ends. 12 hours, 12 PM, noon. 12 AM, midnight, next day starts. 12 hours, today. Do these two. 1. Give the time. Use AM or PM. Communication. 2. Fill in the blanks with AM or PM. Connections. 3. Write the following times using AM or PM. Connections. 4. What is the time? Use AM or PM. Connections. 5. The chart given below gives the opening hours of a restaurant. Find the number of hours for which the restaurant remains open on each day. Connections. 6. Duration of time in minutes and hours. If you know the time of start and the time of finish of any activity, you can calculate the duration. Example 1. Rohan leaves for school at 7:50 am. He reaches school at 8:20 am. How long does Rohan take to reach school? Time of start. Time of finish. 7:50, 8, 8:20. 7:50 to 8, 10 minutes. 8 to 8:20, 20 minutes. Thus, Rohan takes 30 minutes to reach school. Example 2. Nisha leaves home for her badminton class at 9:30 am. She returns home at 11:15 am. How long is she away from home? Time of start. Time of finish. 9:30 am to 10 am. 30 minutes. 10 am to 11 am. 1 hour. 11 am to 11:15 am. 15 minutes. Total time is equal to 1 hour 45 minutes. Thus, Nisha is away from home for 1 hour 45 minutes. Example 3. Bunny goes to bed at 9:30 pm and gets up next morning at 6:40 am. How long does he remain in bed? Time of start. Time of finish. 9:30 pm to 10 am, 30 minutes. 10 pm to 6 am, 8 hours. 6 am to 6:40 am, 40 minutes. Total time 8 hours, 70 minutes or 9 hours, 10 minutes. Thus, Bunny remains in bed for 9 hours, 10 minutes. Do these 3. 1. How many minutes pass between Reasoning proof. Two. How many hours are there between? Reasoning proof. 3. Solve the following problems. Connections. To find the finishing time. If you know the time of start and the duration of an activity, you can find the finishing time. Example 1. The music show started at 6:15 p.m. It runs for 2 hours 30 minutes. When does the music show close? Time 2 hours after 6:15 p.m. is 8:15 p.m. Time 30 minutes after 8:15 p.m. is 8:45 p.m. Thus, the music show closes at 8:45 p.m. Example 2. The flight takes off from Delhi at 10:30 a.m. and takes 3 hours 35 minutes to reach Mangalore. When will it land in Mangalore? Time 3 hours after 10:30 a.m. is 1:30 p.m. Time 35 minutes after 1:30 p.m. is 2:05 p.m. Thus, the flight will land in Mangalore at 2:05 p.m. Calculating days. While calculating days, sometimes we need to include the last day in our calculations and sometimes we do not include the last day. Example 1. Ruby's grandfather came for a visit. He arrived on April 23rd and left on May 18th. How long did he stay? We need to find the number of days between April 23rd and May 18th. Number of days he stayed in April, 30 minus 22 is equal to 8 days. Number of days he stayed in May is equal to 18 days. Total number of days he stayed, 8 plus 18 is equal to 26 days. Ruby's grandfather stayed for 26 days in all. We subtract 22 days instead of 23 days because we include the 23rd days in our calculation. Example 2. Prem's mother asked him on January 17 when his exams are beginning. Prem replied that they are beginning after 24 days. When do Prem's exams begin? We need to find the date 24 days after January 17. Days in January 31 minus 17 is equal to 14 days. Remaining days 24 minus 14 is equal to 10 days. So, the date 24 days after 17th January is 10th February. Prem's exam begin on February 10th. Here, we subtract 17 days because we do not include the 17th day in our calculation. To remember the number of days in a month, use your knuckles. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All the knuckles show the months with 31 days. The other have 30 days except February. Do these 4. 1. Solve the following problems. Connections. Two. Calculate the number of days. Connections. Three. Solve the following problems. Connections. Time in seconds. There is also a smaller unit of time than minute. It is called second. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Second hand. Do this. 5. Write the time shown by each clock including seconds. Representation. Addition and subtraction of time. Addition. Example 1. Add 19 hours, 36 minutes, 45 seconds and 28 hours, 45 minutes, 26 seconds. Solution. Hours, minutes, seconds. 19 hours, 36 minutes, 45 seconds plus 28 hours, 45 minutes, 26 seconds is equal to 47 hours, 81 minutes, 71 seconds. 60 plus 21, 22. 60 plus 11, 11. Note, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So, the sum is equal to 48 hours, 22 minutes, 11 seconds. Example 2. Add 6 years, 9 months and 4 years, 5 months. Solution. Years, months. 6 years, 9 months plus 4 years, 5 months. So, the sum is equal to 11 years, 2 months. Note, 9 plus 5 months is equal to 14 months is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 1 year plus 2 months. 1 plus 6 plus 4 years is equal to 11 years. Do this. 6. Add. Problem solving. Subtraction. Example 1. Subtract 6 hours, 36 minutes, 49 seconds from 10 hours, 25 minutes, 22 seconds. Solution. Hours, minutes, seconds. 10 hours, 25 minutes, 22 seconds minus 6 hours, 36 minutes, 49 seconds is equal to 3 hours, 48 minutes, 33 seconds. So, the difference is 3 hours, 48 minutes, 33 seconds. Note, 22 minus 49 seconds is equal to 22 plus 60 seconds minus 49 seconds is equal to 82 seconds minus 49 seconds is equal to 33 seconds. 24 minus 36 minutes is equal to 24 plus 60 minutes minus 36 minutes is equal to 84 minutes minus 36 minutes is equal to 48 minutes. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 hours. Example 2. Find the difference between 8 years, 7 months and 14 years, 5 months. Solution. Years, months, 14 years, 5 months minus 8 years, 7 months is equal to 5 years, 10 months. So, the difference is 5 years, 10 months. Note, 5 minus 7 months is equal to 5 less 12 months minus 7 months is equal to 17 minus 7 months is equal to 10 months. 13 minus 8 years is equal to 5 years. Do this. 7. Subtract. Problem solving. Fact files. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 30 days is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 100 years is equal to 1 century.